A teacher patronizes a student, but years later they meet again. A teacher was very dissatisfied with the students of her class. In particular, she always told off a boy called Vincent. His homework was mistake-ridden, and he never studied for his oral exams. The teacher patronized him, and at the end of the school year told him coldly, "You're a lost case." Actually, the following year, the teacher didn't see Vincent in school. Perhaps the boy had dropped out. Years later, the woman found a huge water leak in her house. She spoke to a renowned engineering studio to conduct a survey. After having observed the wall conditions, the engineer told her, "I'm sorry, madam, you must demolish your house and build it again. It's a lost case." The woman was shocked. She didn't have the money to carry out such a major job. The engineer, though, didn't seem worried at all and told her, "Miss, haven't you recognized me yet? I'm Vincent." Only then did the woman understand he was her former lazy student. He told her, "Your house isn't really in bad condition, but I wanted to make you understand one thing. Words matter. A sentence can destroy a person, especially when uttered by a teacher to her pupil. Years ago, because of your words, I was convinced I wanted to leave school. Luckily, my parents supported me and made me change my mind. I went back to school, I graduated, and now I manage this engineering studio. I'll personally take care of your house refurbishment. I want to show you that with the right attitude, any problem can be solved. Because no case is really a lost case." The woman was speechless and learnt an important life lesson. We should always pay attention to what we say to others. When a person is in difficulty, they only need to be encouraged. We all face obstacles in life, but we can learn to overcome them. Vincent's life would have been completely different had his parents not supported him. Before speaking, think carefully. A negative judgment can badly harm someone's self-esteem. But it's also true that positive statements are equally powerful. Words have meaning and must be chosen carefully.